Hello. Morning. Oh, I'm just checking in. For walking, actually. Thanks. Hello. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Yes. Hello. How are you doing, Dr. Munoz? Cool. I got you at a good time. Don't even have to wait. Awesome. Let me put my keys right here. Ah, yeah.
So, how's everything feeling today?
Pretty good. I get that occasional kink, right
That
here.
upper, yeah, and you're still real early in your treatment program too. So I'm glad things are starting to improve on you.
Cool.
So let me have you lay face down. See what's happening. Is it still the right side mainly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dr. Barb likes me to put my arms up here.
Okay. Actually, if you can, can you just relax them just right there?
Oh,
Yeah, that'd be
yeah,
perfect.
totally.
We're all a little different.
Yeah, that's true.
Let it all out.
Nice.
It's
Oh, yeah. I've been coming in twice a week lately.
ready. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I saw Dr. Barb Saturday.
It makes such a big difference when we can get you a little closer together. It makes the changes
Nice.
go a little lot faster. I was ready.
Yeah.
Let me have you turn sideways facing me.
Okay.
Good. Let me have you go on the other side.
Nice.
Let me have you lay face that.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if there's anything left up here. You got a lot of that lower neck when you were face down. Yeah. Nice. Morning upper. Let me give your neck a tug here. All right. Just let it dry with the knee. And the hips up. Yeah, there you go. Now go ahead and relax.
Cool.
Right.
That should be me
All
for
set. Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
It's not so windy today.
I know. Thank goodness.
I know, I think it was windy last time. I'm not sure.
My hair was just so staticky. It was like
Oh, yeah.
it was like sticking to everything.
Oh, no, yeah, your hair looks good. I don't think it was
Thanks.
too bad. All right, have a great time. I'll see you next time. Oh, thanks, you too. Have a good one.